The future of construction. 号3D printed concrete is changing the game for centuries. Construction has relied on manual labor, bulky materials, and time-consuming processes. Traditional methods face challenges like high costs, material waste, and limited design flexibility. But what if we could build faster, cheaper, and with almost limitless creativity? Enter 3D printed concrete, a technology that is redefining the rules of construction. 3D printing in construction isn't science fiction anymore. By layering concrete precisely through robotic arms or gantry systems, this technology cuts construction time by up to 50%, reduces material waste by 30%, and opens doors to designs that were once impossible. From houses to bridges, the world is embracing this revolution. But how does it work? Imagine a giant printer extruding concrete layer by layer, guided by digital blueprints. No molds, no scaffolding, just pure innovation. Let's start with what's already been built in the Netherlands. The 3D printed canal house showcases intricate designs that blend art and engineering. In China, a 3D printed office building in Shenzhen was completed in just weeks, proving the speed and scalability of this technology. From benches to bridges, 3D printing is versatile. A park in Shenzhen used robotic arms to create flowing, water-inspired pathways and sculptures, all from concrete. Even earthquake-resistant homes are now possible. Chinese researchers tested 3D printed houses on shaking tables, proving they can withstand earthquakes up to magnitude but without collapsing. The future. Think bigger. Imagine floating villages with organic shapes, low-cost housing for disaster zones, or even Mars habitats. Researchers are already experimenting with materials like graphene-enhanced concrete, which cuts carbon emissions by 31%. A game changer for sustainable cities. Speaking of sustainability, 3D printing minimizes waste by using only the concrete needed. Plus, new eco-friendly mixes like limestone, calcined clay cement are slashing the carbon footprint of construction. But this revolution isn't without hurdles. Scaling up for skyscrapers tricky. Current printers struggle with height, and materials need better durability regulations. Many countries still lack standards for 3D printed buildings, and while costs are dropping, industrial scale adoption requires more investment. The solutions, innovation. Teams like Tsinghua University's Future Habitat Institute are using AI-driven designs and multi-robot coordination to print complex structures. Prefabrication is another key. Printing parts in factories and assembling on site, combining speed with precision. 3D printed concrete isn't just a tool, it's a movement, and this movement needs pioneers. At Trunano, we recommitted to pushing the boundaries of what's possible. From cutting-edge printers to customized solutions, we provide the technology to turn bold ideas into reality. Whether you're an architect dreaming of organic shapes, a developer tackling housing shortages, or a city planning sustainable infrastructure, we're here to help.